Hi everyone, I am Danilo Romolini and welcome to a new property tour. This week we are very close to Rosso di Montefalco and Todi in Umbria. And we are on a fantastic panoramic position overlooking olive grove, vineyards and rolling hills. Today's property is a country house with its wine and olive oil production. Let's have a closer look. Come with me. The country house has been totally restored, keeping traditional features like the exposed stone and the terracotta on the terraces and indoors on the floors. As I said earlier, this property also produces its own olive oil and wine, and they are sold in a little cute shop right under this terrace. Externally, the property is surrounded by 38.2 hectares of land, with 1.2 hectares of vineyards, 2.7 hectares of olive grove, 15.5 hectares of arable land, and 18.8 hectares of woodland. On the lower part of the property, we find the second gate access, beside which we find this annex building, part of which is used as a wine cellar. The other part is split into two different apartments. The first one has one bedroom and the second one has two. The vineyard produces up to 8,000 bottles of wine per year, split between Umbria Bianco IGP, Rosso di Montefalco DOC, and Sagrantino di Montefalco DOCG. Right next to the house, in front of this panoramic, breathtaking view, we find this 10 by 5 meters swimming pool. Now it is covered because we are in November, but here is for you a picture of what it looks like in the summer days. The home is structured on 2 levels. It has a total of 358 square meters, 6 bedrooms and 4 bathrooms. One of the accesses is through this front terrace right here, covered in terracotta with a view on the hills and the olive grove. Let's go inside, let me show you. The ground floor of the home starts with this dining room, which is connected on the left side to the kitchen and to another storage room. Whereas passing through this arch, we arrive to the main room of this floor, which is the living room. It has a stone fireplace, ideal to give some warmth and atmosphere for the winter days. The owners kept the terracotta floor and the wooden beams style, giving this home a really traditional look, and all of these windows give us some light. Whereas through this door we find another room, which right now is a TV room, but it could also easily be converted into an office space. Right beside the TV room there are a few steps that bring us to this slightly higher floor where we find this bathroom right here, and over here it's bedroom. The first floor of the home starts with this landing, which actually also has its own fireplace. On this level we find a bedroom over there, which shares a bathroom with the second larger bedroom through this door. This landing brings us to my favorite room of the house, which is this entertainment room. It has really high ceilings, a view on the olive trees, and right in the middle there is this pool table, which is ideal to play a match with your friends. This room actually has also its own bathroom through this door, and as we walk around the snooker table, we notice as well that it has its own independent access through the first floor, and through this door there is another large bedroom. Another thing I'd like to show you is how, going up these steps, we get to the little tower of the country house, and the view is amazing. Let me show you. So this room up here could be used either as a bedroom or also as a wonderful office space. It has a view on three sides. Over here and there you see the rolling hills, the vineyards and the olive grove, whereas on this side you have a view on the village. Siamo ora giunti al termine del video di oggi. Questa proprietà è la soluzione perfetta per chi cerca una casa speciale in Umbria con una vista mozzafiato e con la passione del vino. Spero vi sia piaciuta. Inoltre vi ricordo di iscrivervi al nostro canale per nuovi contenuti tutti i mercoledì. Ci vediamo presto, ciao!